Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your online courses with Udemy, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your online courses with Udemy, start by researching your target audience. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points to create relevant content. Next, choose a compelling course title. Ensure it is clear, descriptive, and contains relevant keywords for better search visibility. Craft an engaging course description. Highlight the benefits and learning outcomes while incorporating keywords naturally. Create high-quality course content. Use a mix of video lectures, quizzes, assignments, and additional resources to enhance learning. When recording videos, ensure good lighting and sound quality. Keep your videos concise and focused to maintain student interest. Organize your course into modules and sections. This structure helps learners navigate easily and makes your content more digestible. Add an engaging introductory video. This video should outline what students will learn and why it's valuable to them. Utilize Udemy's marketing tools. Promote your course through Udemy's promotional announcements and email campaigns. Encourage student engagement by providing feedback on assignments. This interaction fosters a supportive learning environment. Ask for reviews from your students. Positive reviews can significantly enhance your course's visibility and credibility. Monitor your course analytics regularly. These insights help you understand student engagement in areas that may need improvement. Consider running promotional discounts to attract new students. Limited time offers can create urgency and encourage Update and refine your course regularly based on student feedback. Staying current with course content keeps it relevant and engaging. Explore partnerships with other instructors. Collaborating can expand your audience and enhance your course offerings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.